Okay, so make sure you get all of me. Okay, so I just got my camera tonight, just a little bit ago. I'm really excited right now, and I'm gonna open this up actually right now, right here. Let's see what we got here. First time I'm opening this up. Paperwork. Like everyone needs instructions to operate a camera. Okay, let's see what we got here. Charging cable. Awesome. USB. No, that's HDMI, isn't it? Yep, that's HDMI. That's HDMI. Battery. Okay, yep, that's a battery. Whatever the hell this thing is. USB. That's USB. Okay. And da 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 da. Yes. Oh my god, I cannot believe I've got this. Again, this is more the idea that it's an upgrade of having my own camera versus an actual upgrade of the camera itself. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me see. So basically I'm just gonna toy around with it until I'm ready to start shooting. And we'll see what I can do with this. Let's see. See if I can turn it on real fast. On off. Holy shit, it's on. Okay. Low battery. Shit. Of course. Whatever. It even turned off. Okay. Obviously, I'm just gonna have to charge it, but I will be playing with this shit. I will be playing with this more. I will be playing with this more.